You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, front wheel independent suspension, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all season, tires, rear all season, front disc rear drum brakes. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.